Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we're here with Drama. This is the part 4 of the Party Animals series. Today we're playing with two teams, each one having 4 players, and now all of the boats are hard.
And yes, and we set our maximum HP to 50% and our max stamina to 200%. So this
So
will
let
be
thy match begin.
I think we're gonna win 100%, bro.
This shall be a legendary game.
Last episode I did so freaking well. I won 2 times in a row.
That's because I had just a brain dead
I had a
boat.
brain dead teammate, bro.
Nah, bro. I'm going back to Barbie. Nah, Barbie.
Oh, you really want to be
Barbie.
try hard? Going
Barbie.
back to, but I don't know who do I be.
You're gonna become Otter.
Yeah,
You're gonna be something other than Barbie.
that's not a funny joke. Let's do this. Come on. I knocked my teammate out and he's
I think that teammate was me.
no, probably.
Like, not gonna lie, that teammate was me.
No, I didn't know. I'm an author. I could knock you out.
I'm already dead.
Yeah.
From next video, we should disable friendly fire.
Yeah.
So you can't just kill me. Hey, this blows
But I
up.
didn't kill you though. I killed the gorilla. Not goddamn, not a gorilla, bro. I killed the
I am the gorilla!
not the gorilla, man. I killed
Oh yeah, I just realized, how did we already win? These are hard boats.
it's a little different. Oh, our stamina feels so
Well,
much
I
better, though.
guess the both of us are hard to beat.
Yeah.
No, not hard like that.
Allah No, no. I'ma drag you with me, alligator. If I need to die, you need to die as well.
I just died.
I'ma live for you. Never mind, I died. I'ma live for you. Never mind, I died.
Brother.
Blue team.
Brother.
This map is so,
Brother.
like cramped up. I don't like it.
Yes, I also don't like it. I hate it. It's my least favorite map.
I killed my teammate again. That's cool.
How do you always?
Oh no. I keep thinking.
Can I just take it in the back of the map?
No,
Yes.
I'm coming for you.
I actually could. I just stayed in there for the entire round. That actually worked.
Let me try. Oh my god, it actually works. You did not make it. Hello. So what you doing? I'm an otter. Just ottering around. That wasted so much stamina. Look at your stamina now after the win. We have a problem. There's only blue guys.
Nah, I'd win.
Yeah.
Oh, I just realized our stamina is going down so quickly only when it's when there's the wave.
Yeah.
I'm already dead. Come on. Come on, Arthur.
Damn it!
Why didn't you kill something other than yourself?
I killed 2 of the guys. I don't get them.
You just killed me.
How do I keep doing this?
How do you keep killing the... Oh, no, but you wanna know what the craziest thing is? That you're only killing the black people. The black gorillas and such. You're never killing anyone else.
You cannot see. I'm an otter. I'm so cute and shiny.
Just blew just blew that up in your head.
What? Where did I go? Where did I come from? What?
Oh, shut the fuck
I
up.
might
Is
have
that
just given
stupid?
the win. I might have. I tried to roll off, but I won't.
Why did you give the win to something other than our team?
No, God, stop making those goddamn jokes, you stupid goose. Well, now you.
I'm a big gorilla. I'm a...
What is happening?
I'm saving that.
That
I'm
doesn't have a
saving.
head.
And I'm a winner.
You are an actual. Oh, bro, this map is so cool. Don't fall into the water and stay alive. Icebreaker.
I hate this map. It's just annoying. Oh wait, but we should on our, the last episode we should just do the second to like the Castaway map, not the one with like frozen over or whatever it was, because that's just annoying. The one where you need to stay near the campfires.
Come here. No one come close.
Come on, come on, sir. Yes, I'm a
No one come
survivor.
close.
No, no, no.
I'm not letting them get up. Don't worry.
You shot me.
No, the friendly fire is on. I can't shoot you.
No,
This has
we didn't
aimbot,
put
by
it
the way.
off,
This has aimbot, by the way. Oh, I have no more. No more ammo. Up into the sea.
brother.
Ew. There can only be one. Yeah, and that's gonna be.
Brother, brother.
Don't worry, Mr. Ranger. I'm gonna clutch. I need to go. No one even knows I'm here, man.
Hey, this blows up.
That's mine. That's mine.
Oh my god, you actually got. You blew up our teammate!
No, that was a headshot. Oh my god, that was a fucking impact grenade to the head. My god, Ayo, we did it. Ayo, we did. Let's go for a
Hey, you're
swim.
with
Let's
them.
go for a swim. Oh, the doggy got glitched and fucking glitched and good. The doggy is dead. Our cute doggy in the. I'ma help you. Come here. Eh, I saved you. You better repay me, bitch.
No,
He did not
I just
repay
knocked
me.
myself up.
He did not repay me. Yes, I saved you again. You're still not.
This is the first time I actually knocked out someone with a boomerang.
Except yourself. Oh my god, this stupid. Okay, kill the crocodile. Kill the
Yes,
crocodile.
I survived.
Yes,
There
kill the
is no.
crocodile.
I think I might have just killed the crocodile, but also killed my.
He was walking around. No.
No, stop playing copyrighted music.
Oh yeah. I knocked
Oh
myself out with
my.
the boomerang. I knocked myself out with the boom. I'ma save you. I can't grab that low. I'm sorry. You got me. You fucking killed me. You s-
I didn't kill you,
Don't
I
worry,
just
I'm
got killed
still
by.
alive.
Bro, for the end of this video, I'm gonna play the. I'm just gonna sing the outro song.
No, I'm gonna cut it out.
No,
I froze.
there
Wiggle,
is.
wiggle. Damn it. Well, I tried. Um, I don't wanna be that guy, but I did. We have only one.
What is
Ayo,
this the first map in this video or the second one?
this is first.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, no, this is second. What is
Well,
it?
I already just put there to be like only 2 maps before it closes, so it's all alright.
Yeah, it's all alright.
Bro, know what? Bro, should we make the last video in the series? I just knocked out our teammates. I just knocked out one of our.
That's good. It's always good.
We should make that a free for all. You know, like 8 teams, each one with only one player.
Hey, yo, these bros are. I just killed the shark. That's on our. Oh, wait, he's not on our team. It's time. Backward. No! Let me do the backward hand maneuver into the six dodge. Nobody grab that shovel. If you grab that shovel, you are cringe.
He killed me. Our teammate actually like just killed me. Ah,
I killed a crocodile. I killed our teammate. I killed the shark. I killed our teammate. I killed the shark. I killed our teammate. Brother!
bam.
I killed the teammate. No! Get out of
This
here.
is the funniest game.
I don't know what I did. I should have known that was gonna collapse. I killed myself. I killed myself.
Where are they all just kissing? Are all of them just kissing?
What? What can I see? Oh.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, we lost. GG.
Look, they're kissing.
Bro, that's a good pug. I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah, we lost that like badly, bro. Need potion.
No more shark. No more pink shark. Oh. Are they trying to kill me?
No.
I just killed the one of our teammates.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. I love y'all.
I don't even know who I'm hitting. I don't think I'm hitting anybody.
Can you climb up? I'm grabbing the doggy. I'm literally taking the dog. Killed me. Our teammate. Never mind. I'm back.
He's also back.
Back again. Okay, I'm dead.
Yes, who's back?
I'm back.
Oh wait, we should probably start playing just singing copyrighted music. Right?
Yeah. You didn't know a thing. Damn.
Oh shit, I died.
I live in ocean. How are you supposed to win this? I don't get it. Yes!
Yes, who's back?
Yeet! Oh, banana peel. Shit, I slipped. Shit, I slipped. I couldn't do that. I couldn't. Otter climb. Oh, no, Otter's going to like climb. What? Bro, I can't win this.
Nah, bro, you can. Nah, you'd win.
No, I'd win. Whoa, whoa, watch where you're going. Whoa, 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 watch where you're going. Whoa, whoa, well, damn. That's
God,
crazy. That's crazy.
come on.
That's crazy. How am I supposed to get out of this situation?
I think they're both dead. They're both dead. No way. You actually just clutched. Let's go. You actually clutched.
Die.
Oh no, Baba, I think he slept on my banana peel.
He slept on my banana peel. Don't take that.
And
That's
he
mine.
slipped on my
Don't
banana.
take that. That's mine. So don't. Oh fuck. Brother. What are you doing?
Why do I always kill like that only? Why do I always kill my teammates?
Don't worry. I'll save you.
Did you just kill yourself?
No, I'm on fire. I can't freeze because I'm on fire. Damn, I completely launched that motherfucker. Damn! Did you see that? That was a right hand knuckle.
Oh shit.
Back massager. Back massager. Yo, stay knocked down. Damn it. How did you fall in? That's actually kind of nutsy.
I died.
Damn, yet he still killed himself. Or not. Yeah, so, I'm not
They won.
doing, yeah, they won. How do we keep doing this?
Mhm.
Drama? Hey, I'm shaking my titties. I'm not. This.
Okay, well, this is all, guys. Bye.